your new life. Be good to me. Hey, it's Ronke Raji.
It's me, Avanna.
Say hi. We're going on a trip to Austin to the Milk and Honey Ranch in Dallas, Texas, but Avanna is also going back to school literally next week as well. So I have to do her hair first before I even do anything else. I use this Sacred hair balm. Love it. I use that for her hair. I also need rubber bands and of course some edge control because I use that to also make the hair neat. And this Aussie moisture curls, this Sacred is just the bottle. I put it water and oil in it as well, but I have to do her hair because you guys, I do not do her hair when I know that I have nails on. So if I have any press-ons or I just got my nails done, that is not when I do her hair. And if I have nails on, I either get somebody to help me do her hair or I just do simple styles. Now, because she was going back to school, I wanted to prioritize doing her hair before I even got my nails done because we're going on a ranch and I wanted ranch inspired nails and I did not want to be putting my hand in her hair while I had my nails. So I just did a simple 2-strand twist because I also knew we were going to be in the water. My goodness, now that I'm back from that vacation, we'll talk. And I also want to make sure that her hair is well moisturized. Okay, I thought she was going to cut her hair with me. She didn't want to cut her hair, it's fine, but I actually love her locks. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm actually glad that she had a mind of her own to be like, actually no, don't want that. So I moisturize it before I even go and start 2-strand twisting it because I wanted to make sure that not only was it super well twisted, it was also something that was gonna last for a whole week. Because for her hair, I tried to do 2-strand twists and I wanted 2-strand twists to actually last a whole month because I do not want to keep doing her hair over and over. Avanna's hair is not something that I like to do all the time, especially because I feel as though, like I said, me not having nails, me having nails, and then also I like her style to last. So I do retwists for her, and I also do like 2-strand twists. 2-strand twist is the longest style; it lasts the longest. The other style that really lasts is like lock petals. I didn't mean that I didn't like doing her hair. Sorry, I just realized that I said that in the past. But what I meant was like I don't like doing her hair too frequently. Because with locks you can't be doing that, it will damage the locks and that kind of thing. So I try to just like let her hair freeform as much as it can, and then look at how neat this is. Like, you cannot tell me I am not difference. And also, like I said, they're going back to school next week. I wanted to kind of give them like a little send off, have fun. So the trip we're going on is with two other influencers actually, and they're best friends. But Felicia, I always travel with her. If you guys knew my Mexico trip or even my trip to Austin, with me and her basically travel buddies at this point because I just love her vibe. So we brought our kids. So she has one kid and her best friend also has one kid, so it was 4 kids on the trip. And I already knew this, so I wanted to make sure that not only did we have like multiple change of clothes, because y'all, Amari, anyway, we'll talk about that when we get to the vlog, because the vlog after this is going to be us like the actual vlog of the trip. But I needed to do a separate video on like packing for the trip, because y'all, like I said, I am an overpacker. If I can pack it, I will overpack, instead of me to just relax. And sometimes no, I also wanted to make sure, because we're going on a ranch, I feel like honestly with me, I've always loved ranch vacations because that's literally my whole vibe. So it also was really hard for me to pack. I didn't know what to pack sometimes, but I had to get it together and make sure that everything was good before we left, and make sure the house was clean, and then pack all my props and everything for a perfect trip. I also didn't want to come back and see or smell anything bad. So I also wanted to make sure like my dishes were washed, everything was put away. I feel like these past couple of weeks have been really hectic, which is why my house is a little bit more messy than it usually is. But I was like, I actually should show them this cleaning thing, because y'all, I'm tired of cleaning. This whole summer, that's what I feel like I did. All I did was clean, dirty, clean, like all the time. So I had to clean basically each of the areas. One thing I do that helps me with cleaning is not only put on music, but I want to also make sure that things are in its place, and I'm also using that to pack. So like, for example, when I'm packing my makeup, I do pack my makeup after I'm done with all my makeup and as I'm going along, and that really helps. Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Leave it alone, please. Leave it alone.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. Look, you. I cannot even see my whole body. Oh, there we go. I'm sorry, my little bitty bone.
All right, are you gonna help me clean the window?
Mommy, can I blow it? Oh, I want to blow it. Okay. It's nice.
I can show you all the other vlogs too. Are you excited because you're going to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. So clean that. Thank you.
Bro, you did not put an A on it.
Okay. Move back.
I'm gonna do the A last. I don't want to suck it. A. YouTube channel?
Huh?
Can I do it on the YouTube?
You want to see my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You don't.
And then
Good job.
that was easy.
Are the cups clean?
Yes, the cups are the sink.
Can you help me vacuum?
Yeah. Yes, I love vacuum.
Okay.
What? Not.
Come, let me. About my. Please get off the bed. I just made it. Like, what's that? Get up.
I told you I know. On the other.
Oh yeah, Avanna, come on. Come on, please. Avanna, you say you want
Oh. I want to do it. You want to do your boots? Yeah, then I'll just walk around.
My bug bag.